So people often talk about Connecticut, and that's a very expensive state to operate. I would like to counter that by saying you get what you pay for. I can tell you from a productivity perspective, from a length of service perspective, from a quality perspective, you cannot beat the employees that work in our facilities, our manufacturing facility, as well as in our corporate offices. We are so blessed to be able to do our own design work, our own marketing work, because our talents are so rich. So this state is unbelievable at getting talent that can really help drive a business to the next level. And I know part of our success for being the #1 specialty tea company in the United States is based on the people and based on the people right here in Connecticut.